renewed to be inspired. Inspiration ang katal kay kayo mangka. I'm very happy. I believe the students have enjoyed much because you are learning more and more. Our leaders have already appealed to each one of you to be very faithful and honest in your studies. You are going to uphold the tradition, culture of our state. Therefore, and you have heard so many stories, so many facts, and we have been able to make some changes, some historical events. And you will have to create new history for our state, for our people. That should be your challenge. Nobody will come and tell you, you become leader, you become something. Nobody will make you. But you yourself will have to stand firm, believing your existence, believing your tradition, background, and apprehending your future's generation also. Today, as a soldiers of our state, I am really happy because I can still stand before you. Naroni miskang otawo bacamano, kok sanani sujuk mano, obin babe ani bakatai botong fogzago. Every moment, I feel I find myself a renewed person. Renew jago. Narao the future, narao have to build it. Taisimachini, one of the Honorable EM, Koloi Zisaka, about the drugs. Ani orobotongo, brau chuak pego, police by Romzago. Nung sabo, hai, nati go bravo. Croxas kamanano. Ang batay im se mayong kable. Ang tong mane utla, ketoro utla tong ble na. Ani para na ni Teibo, yung tangpur utla bo. Oroka simrok tong komo sarao. Chini ket utla. O tangla hai klekle oro bistri sat ai lore tong po. Unge a borok sawo abo chuak nungya klai, drugs klai. Bini botang se maya, ay ungjapo. Borok le ungyata, ay kuno bini tangmani sa kayo ngitong. Ke bo hamyong ka, biti cha puno biti bo ne dos kom blebo. Thone ni thoi test kainai, tay bini sa kawo sir kray ka. Tay steroid bra push kai mani obotai sir krik asir bisimo joto manai hamne ko plungong ka oka binit thoi na oi test kai ni kuno sujuk kroi ka. My younger children, my beloved children, can you imagine when doctor pathology will fail to take some of your blood from your veins? Nung apro imang jangnai nini thoi kre khasako nini sir tai thoi na oi tam beram tong nini apo bara mayong kha a sir se thoi kre kha doctor, medicine is totally failure. Medicine bono ripuno, tai kuno kamaya, bini sako, abodai kuno immune mani, abod negative pongoi tangka. Tai kroksa sawo, ani hasagro yakong raja ka. Raja kunbo ham khongle tai se push khayo. Aite raja mamang osuk jora raja khabo. Hai kuno bo mar tu layo, mak layo. Abo tabok tai singu chini Chamani, Honorable Kwlwknai Chamani, Teibo Sekambo, Baksa Chini, Honorable Dopo, Juda Point Chamani. I am really renewed today. Ani Sagno Ang renew Kaidaka, Ani Bakano. Overall, Kintu Chini challenge. This about the children of the student narau Kwlwknai. Narau ki Chwng je tabok Chamani chiri Tripurani bagai. Change khai tuk mani tabok ADC ongkha. Abo narau ni future narau ni vision tam ongnai. Narau tam Kwlwknai. Chwng chini khai Chwng je mamani te khai. Tabok kaisa Chwng khai maya ongkha drugs na. Drugs abo jodi Chwng kaham khai chini generation chini next generation no Chwng aware khai buma ba buka level ong thong. Young generation level ong thong. Abo kaham khai Chwng jodi awareness jodi khai brahma jodi protection diani ongyang khai. Abo no fail ongnai Chwng. Rajnaitik toi abo je jaga pune Chwng tongdi kintu nini rajnaitik bai bono nung control khai mai ongi tongta. Bonorom puno tam Kwlwknai nang. Abo tai security measure bana jago. Brauno jail bodawo kuno kamaya. Ulta maya nang jagai piogoi taise tabo kotom le chini highly qualified kroksa tongo chini bisingo. Bini junior of IGP ongkha. TPS ni IPS ongo IPS ongoi na tabok IGD ongoi tongkha. Obotei kroksa. Bo chuak kisa nungyang klai im se maya. Thokjak mani dahay ongoi tongkha bini behik po basawo. Thokle thokjak goina ongkhana kintu obo nungyang klai kuna kuch khai maya him maya. Obo ki khub fortunate he is not yet 60. 60 bo kaam ke ongya khongke bini tai 20-30 bosor bo thangmang khamobo. Kintu tabo bini system fail ongkha. Chuak nungyang khai bo himmaya. Thokjagai de ongkhana thokjaga na bo thokjagai na bo obo nungyang khai ang thangse maya. Hai puno bo je tini IPS TCS TPS IPS ongmani binita mala ongkha bini jati ni bagai bini ha ni bagai bo tamo Kwlwknai mannai. Chwng rastoi kok saye dirgo jibon Chwng Kwlwknai thayo. Kini ubote social reform ni ko. Social reformist Chwng nang mani. Abro bo khub important. Kini chini taisimo chini Chamani 160 year celebration of late Maharaj Bir Bikram Kishore Manika father, that Burma. Usalo, Bonachum respect kayo, jum honor kayo. Boje architect ongmani, engineering ongmani. Bo degree engineering kok saya, degree architect ni degree namani kok saya. Kintu bini wan sumung nuno ano future o ani orang ni borok tamong nai 2000 square kilometer kuayo yang apa cung tiuses kai por cung dabi kayo Sukhumoi Sengupto Chief Minister Ongpro Braus Baik Kabo Cung leta petongoi agortalao Misil kayo civil disobedience ma kayo chung Romjak bujago jelo dajago chung obotego chung khaini nangka sorkari to yung thung office kachari to yung thung ব্যবসা to yung thung je to yung puno barao abono nuno ano kasunani brao ma kayo Tini aboni bagai राजनीतिक तो आगो भी नहीं तो तबुक चीनी महाराज प्रद्युत किशोर बिने लीडरशिप हो कैसा न्यू इंस्पिरेशन माँ पायो अब जो तो चीनी बीसी नहीं बरो जुदा जुदा बीसी के नाम में बरो उन्हीं जो अब ना जो क्रमशः One nest only tongnani wansugo only betongo ebong jeng agogoi betongo kintu jeng kaisa jagao failure ongklai abo hamya jeng masanai tabo north eastern jeng nugo jini existence ni bagai jeng आंदोलन खाइबनी जागाओ नंबो आंबो आरो दुजागो त्रिपुरानी हिस्ट्री बो मा दुजागो बोरिबागै तिनी अबनी ओकेशन जों बुमा बुफा तंनाय स्टूडेंट तंनाय कर्मचारी रक अंथुं बिजनेसमैन अंथुं मीडिया अंथुं सरकार कर्मचारी विभिन्न स्टेटस में अंथुं you are subject to study yourself nini saksa no nini family no nini individual no chung jodi bo aware of your clay chung jokhon silai toyo chung jokhon bolongo thangai ma koglayo apuro chung bakha onno rokom abos nam jago chung Tini chung silai lai crack, silai lai dangerous, u drugs. Tabok chung क्यों नो बन उधरे मया नो कोगने कामों ने जो मिया अब कोगे को मुंह सोंग जाइया कोखले तो थ्री का पाई का बोक थ्री का थांग बिने और पुनुकरे आनो डक्स मारी नहीं न आनो चुवक मारी नहीं चुवक ले खले कोक सारी मया आंग सीखर तोंपुरो रांग मुरायांग प्रोक्सा तोंगो किसी सा आदेशा नुंगलाई बिनी हैंड राइटिंग एग्जैक्टली मिसिंग प्रिंट है ते चुपचाप नुंगिया खलाई सुई से मैं याबो बिनी बिसारो तोंगो ए हाइरो ओके चुंजे habitual growing money chung tamo loyong jabe chung tini tor khaba Buma bupano chung respect rinani kam pokha Buma bupano my dad my mom I love you himnai karika ang koroka o ama nini abok ang chawoi ase torka nunule ang tamori mannai tamokai mannai Tini besarok sade sadok saya. Amano hamzak yeklai nung Tripura na hamzak maya. Tripura han ini ama haitei bini sago nung tongo. Or jokko bisu nung mano. Why you should forget your mother? We should not commit serious sin, avoiding father and mother and our neighbors. When you work for you and you work for others also. Those who are very conscious, you'll find they are not very happy in their own family. Today you may be weak, you may be deprived of something, but when you become active, checking your own position, then though you are aware, you are alert. So there is a scope for you next time, for your next day. I have come across many such people. I share their testimony also. Yes, many problems are there. Many enemies are there. But when you are aware of your right and your existence, you become strong. Nobody will be able to shake your root. Today, I may be physically weak, but there is no one upon this earth who can uproot me, who can shake my root. I will say, yes, you can shake my body, my physical, but you cannot shake my root of understanding. You cannot uproot me. So, dear children, dear students, you have to have faith and confidence on your teachers who teach you. And the teachers should be confident of their teaching to the students. And when we enjoy our responsibility, then you are successful. We came across many problems, but we enjoyed. I was put in jail for 6 times. From Amarpur, Agartala Central Jail 2 times, Khwai 1 time, Kamalpur 2 times. I enjoyed. I told them, you cannot beat me, you cannot defeat me by torturing me physically, mentally. You cannot win me. But I conquered. I conquered the temptation. I said, I enjoy. You can do anything, but you cannot snatch my mind. You cannot snatch my mind. My mind remains inside me, and this is strong enough to face any temptation, be it physical, be it mental, be it in any other means also. No sikri rivoy nung kriya. Tabok chini Tripurani kok chung kabang masasa. Kidu mentally, physically nung ang ready Hrangkhwal.